Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I am sharing a princess dress haul from JessaKae along with a review. So I have shared their dresses previously in other hauls, but I've never done a specific haul just for JessaKae, and I've never shared a review of their dresses on here. So I thought I would do that today because I've gotten lots of interest in their dresses, especially on my shorts and on Instagram, and I just want to show you a closer look at what they look like, give you my honest thoughts and my opinions. Are JessaKae dresses worth it? We will find out. But before I get into the haul, I do want to share a little bit about the brand and introduce you to them if you are unfamiliar. So JessaKae is a brand based out of Utah, and they are female founded, and they specialize in beautiful dresses, and they do have mommy and me collections as well. And I would say that their clothing is more on the feminine, whimsical, romantic side. Lots of colors, lots of tulle, lots of puff sleeves, and lots of really beautiful feminine designs. So if your personal style leans more on the girly side like mine, then you will definitely fall in love with their dresses. Before I get into the haul, I do want to share my sizing information just in case you are unfamiliar. So normally I am a size US 2 or 4. I'm an extra small or a small. It really depends on the design of the dress, but for JessaKae, I would say my normal size is a small. And I'll talk about sizing information and give a quick review after I do the try on, but I do want to put that out there so that you can see how the dresses fit me. And also my height is 4'11", so everything is a lot longer on me than it would be on someone of average height, but I think that you can kind of gauge how it would look on you. As always, everything will be linked down in the description box, and without further ado, let's get into the haul. Here is the first one, and oh my gosh, I feel like an actual princess. So this is the cupcake dress, and it is just absolutely dreamy and decadent, and it might be one of my favorite dresses that I own, and I own a lot of dresses. So this beauty has a light pink background, the most gorgeous shade of blush pink, and lots of flowers. So you have lots of beautiful like 3D floral applique on here. You have purple and then also light yellow. And you also have some beautiful pink florals that go down these sheer panels. And in between you have this little, like, not really lace, but there's, I don't know, some kind of design. So it's like Swiss dot / lace, and it goes down. So you have alternating panels, and it is really pretty. It gives it a very unique look whenever it twirls, and yeah, it's just very pretty. And then the top half is very fitted in the waist, and it has a very feminine silhouette that just kind of goes out. The neckline is ultra feminine. It comes in at this really flattering sweetheart, and it just has like a very princessy look to it. Plus it has puff sleeves, my absolute favorite. I hope they never go away. And it's sheer, but there's a few layers, so it's not super sheer, and it just gives it a very girly look. I really love the skirt on this. There's lots and lots of layers underneath, so you don't have to wear a separate like crinoline or anything like that, but it is very pretty. This one runs a size larger, so I am wearing the extra small, and normally I'm a small, and this fits perfectly. I feel so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I really love the length as well. This is a really gorgeous dress. So pretty for spring. Love the details, love the quality, love the fit, love everything about it. Here is the next one, and oh my gosh, can you believe how beautiful this dress is? Completely exceeded my expectations. So this is one of their best-selling dresses. This is called the Mia Dress, and it comes in a variety of colors. The pink version is new, so it's part of their Sugar collection, which launched last month. And actually, the first 3 dresses in this haul are from the Sugar collection. And then the last 3 are from their latest collection, the Fairy collection, which launched last week. I honestly held off on this one because I wasn't sure how it would look on me, and I wasn't sure if I would like the sleeves because they are a bit on the shorter side and I have thicker upper arms, but I really love it, and I think this is one of the most flattering dresses I've ever seen, and on every body type that I've seen it on, it is ultra flattering. So I feel like this could work for anyone. So anyways, this one is in the most beautiful baby pink shade. I am obsessed. And it has layers and layers of lace, and the hemline is really unique. So it's shorter in the front and then it goes out on the sides. And it is so beautiful. It twirls like a dream. Absolutely stunning. And then the bodice is more fitted, and it has this really beautiful detail right here, very princessy. And this one also has a sweetheart neckline and then some little lace details along. And you have this beautiful little flutter sleeve. Love this dress so much. I want it in every color. There's also a light blue version that I think would be so beautiful, very Cinderella. This one definitely gives me like Aurora vibes. I am obsessed. So I got my normal size in this one. I feel like it fits perfectly, so just go with your normal size. Quality is immaculate, and I just feel like an absolute goddess in this. Here is the next one. This is the Macaron dress, and I feel like it is one of the most underrated dresses. I haven't seen many people talk about it, but it is so adorable. I love it so much, and I feel like this is definitely a more wearable option for every day, and it's just beautiful. The entire collection is stunning. I love everything. It's very like Marie Antoinette. So if that's your vibe, you will love it. So anyways, this one is definitely more of a blush pink, and it has a lighter tulle mesh skirt with just a few layers, not very many, so it's not super poofy, but you still have a really beautiful like twirly skirt, and the top is my favorite part. So this one is also more fitted through the waist, and it has this little detail to give it more of a princess look, and it just has a very feminine feel overall. The embroidery is adorable. It has lots of shades of pink and purple, some florals, and then you have all kinds of bows and some greenery. It is so cute. And then up here you have these little bows on the side, which I thought was a really adorable detail because online I actually didn't see the bows, and I saw it in person. I was like, oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing. I am obsessed. And then this one, of course, has a puff sleeve as well, although it's just a bit longer. And the neckline on this one is more rounded, although very feminine and very girly. And I really love this dress. I think it is the cutest thing ever. I love the length as well. Very wearable, very feminine, and very romantic. And I think it still has that girly vibe, and it's a really unique design as well. I haven't seen any other dresses like this, but it's just really cute. Also, got my normal size in this one, so I highly recommend just sticking with your normal size, and it fits perfectly, and I love it. Also, if you're wondering about my shoes, these are from Ally Shoes, and they're so comfortable and beautiful. Absolutely love their shoes. I will leave a link in the description along with some discount codes for you if you want to check them out. Here is the next one. So this is the Whimsy dress from their new Fairy collection, and it is so beautiful. I feel like this is another underrated dress that I haven't seen many people talk about, but it is gorgeous, and it might be my favorite from the collection. It's just so pretty and understated, but very elegant at the same time. So this one has a really beautiful pink color, lots of tulle, lots of beautiful layers, but it's not poofy, but it still has that really beautiful twirly skirt. This one has tons of beading and jewels. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Ugh, it is just stunning, so sparkly, so beautiful, so regal. It is absolutely beautiful. And it doesn't stop there. It also goes on the skirt. Can you believe that? I love it so much. And it's not just in the front either. It's in the back as well. So you have it on the back of the skirt, and then you also have it on the back of the bodice. This one also has a really elegant sweetheart neckline, very princessy. And then you have the flutter sleeves. I absolutely love flutter sleeves. I think they're so flattering and so feminine. And this one is longer. It's just very romantic and beautiful. I got my normal size small in this, and it fits perfectly. I really love the length on me. It's just above the ankle, and I think it's very flattering and very feminine, and I am just obsessed with this dress. I love the sparkles so much. It's very glamorous, very elegant, and very girly. Here is the next one. This is the Bramble Dress, and if there was ever a fairy dress, this is it. It also comes in yellow, and it is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So background on this one is a really beautiful, kind of like dull lilac color. Very, very pretty. And then on top, you have all of these gorgeous florals in the most gorgeous sequins. So lots of hot pink and purple. Then you also have some green, and there's just lots of iridescent shimmer. It is so stunning. I love it so much. And also there's some little lace details like on the skirt and then also on the sleeves as well. And it is very cute, very twirly, very girly. I love it. Can you see this at a tea party? How cute would that be? Okay, so the top is also very fitted, and it has a really beautiful like princessy bodice. And this one has just a slight sweetheart, like not really that obvious, but it's still there. Very feminine and very flattering, and the sleeves might be my favorite part. So this one has a double flutter sleeve, and there's also some lace details on there. How dreamy. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. This is such a beautiful dress. I am obsessed. They really hit it out of the park with this collection, with all their collections actually. So this one does run a size larger. I'm wearing an extra small, and it fits perfectly. So I recommend going a size down. On me, it hits just below the knee, and I feel like it's a really nice flattering length. It's really beautiful. There's a lot of volume, but I do feel like it is very wearable, and this would be a great special occasion dress, or you can just wear it whenever if you want to feel like a little fairy. But yeah, really love this one. The colors are stunning, and that is what drew me to it in the first place. I am obsessed. I would seriously buy this in every color. It is so dreamy. Here is the next one. So this one is called the Evangeline or Evangeline Dress, however you want to pronounce it. And this is the pink color. It also does come in a really beautiful teal blue. And although it is noted as pink, I would say this is definitely more of a peach apricot color, or even like a light blush. Either way, it is still very pretty, and I love it. So this one also has lots of florals, and this entire collection has lots of beautiful iridescent florals in different patterns, but this one has some florals here and there scattered throughout, and there's also some beading, lots of embroidery. So you have purple and blue, and then white, and then also yellow. So there's a lot of really beautiful soft colors, and you also have pink there. And it's just very feminine and very whimsical, and I love it. And you also have some that go all the way down the skirt, so it's really like scattered throughout. It has a very whimsical fairy tale feel about it, and this skirt, oh my gosh, this is like a ballroom dress. This one goes down to my ankles, and I think the length is perfect. So beautiful. So the bodice on this one is also very fitted. It has a very nice feminine shape, and this also has the sweetheart neckline, which you know I love. And this one also has the flutter sleeves as well, one of my favorite sleeve styles. And there's lots of florals on the top and on the sleeves, and it just has a really beautiful like sparkly look to it, but it's not overwhelming or anything. It's really really stunning. This one also does run a size larger, so I'm wearing the extra small and it fits perfect, so go a size down on this one. And also the length on this one I think would be perfect for petites if you were looking for a maxi length. For everyone else it's going to be more of a midi length, but this is just absolutely dreamy. They really outdid themselves with this collection. So pretty, so sparkly, and ultra feminine. Okay, so let's get into the review portion. So I was introduced to JessaKae a long time ago, a few years ago. I fell in love with their dresses and I was like, oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. But I didn't get my first one until last year, and let me tell you, my collection has grown. I am obsessed. I love the designs, I love the quality, I love everything about them, and I just find that they make really, really pretty dresses that are also very modest, and I really appreciate that because I feel like these days it's a little difficult to find more modest brands, and I prefer to dress more on the modest side, so I feel like that really works for me. In terms of design and quality, I find them to be very high quality and in line with the price point that they are set at. I have a variety of dresses that were different price points, and they are all so beautiful and just absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like a queen in all of them. Sizing wise, I would say this is where it can be a little hit and miss. So my normal size for a brand would be like a size small. Like if I go for a newer brand, I always go for a size small just in case I don't know how it runs. And for JessaKae, I would say my normal size is a size small, but there are some dresses that do run a little on the larger side. And I will say that usually JessaKae will put this information in the description. It will tell you if it runs a size too big or, you know, anything like that. But also for all of their dresses, they do include the size chart for each one, and it can vary. So depending on what dress you are interested in, I highly recommend looking at the size chart and comparing that with your measurements to find the best size. But you can always reach out to customer service as well, and they would be happy to help you find your perfect fit. And if you have any questions on any of the dresses that I own, I would be happy to answer that as well, because I can definitely give you sizing information or help you find the perfect size for you. Also, another comment about sizing regarding length. So I do find that since they are a more modest dress brand, that their lengths are longer on their dresses and skirts, which is great, especially for my taller ladies out there. But for petites, it can be a little challenging, especially for the maxi lengths. For example, I also have the Elizabeth dress, which is absolutely beautiful, but it's about like 1.5 feet too long. So if you are more on the petite side, like myself, and you are looking for a maxi dress, I recommend getting their midi dress because it will probably hit you at a maxi length. And for their shorter dresses, I find that they hit me at the knee or lower, which is a great length because you can twirl all day and you're not going to expose anything. As for shipping, I would say that it takes about a week or less. It really depends on where you're located and, you know, if there are any shipping delays or anything like that. But I'm in California, and I would say normally it's like 3 to 5 days, but I've had it take up to a week sometimes, but it's very rare. So I would just say a week to be safe. And also the packaging is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is just absolutely gorgeous, especially if you get it in a box. The boxes are just dreamy. They're blue and they have this beautiful floral print inside. The box itself is actually one of the most gorgeous ones that I've seen a clothing company pack their items into. It's really pretty, and I actually use mine to like store things in. Like I have some of my antique items in an old JessaKae box just because it's so pretty. Now the real question, are JessaKae dresses worth it? I would say yes. I absolutely love them. I love all of the collections they come out with, and I really love all of the dresses that I've gotten from them, and it just keeps expanding. Like my collection is just never ending because I love them so much, and they make me feel beautiful and confident, and yeah, I just feel really good wearing them, and that is the most important thing. And everything has been high quality. It fits great when you get the correct size, and yeah, customer service has been amazing, and I've just had a really great experience overall, so I highly recommend. So I think that that is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this JessaKae review and feminine fashion haul. I would love to know which of these dresses is your favorite. Feel free to leave a comment down below. And also, have you tried JessaKae before? Have you gotten any of their dresses? Do you have a favorite? I would love to know. And as always, everything is linked down in the description box. If you like this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up below and don't forget to share and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the community. And if you love feminine fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, make sure you check out my blog, lizzieandlace.com. I also have more of my JessaKae dress collection on there as well, so you can see more of their dresses. And of course, don't forget to give me a follow on my pretty pink Instagram at lizzieandlace. I will see you next time. Bye!